ride that goes all the way through Disneyland. And you're the teller and I'm the driver.
Okay. Here we are. We're going to embark in New Orleans country. And there we are. There we're passing the haunted house. Anybody want to make a stop? Pull on the railing. Well, we're going to make a stop anyway.
Because we're going to have a little short break bathroom or a little short ride.
Yep. Everybody back on the train now? Now we're going to go to Now we're going to go to Frontierland. Frontierland is an unsettled, untamed, wild place with Kodiak bears and many people playing fiddle and stuff like that. Now we're leaving Frontierland and coming back.
Anybody want to take some quick? We're taking a quick stop, so you could take a picture of these bears out here in the outdoors. Anybody?
Click, click.
Do you hear that?
No flash photography. The bears will get spooked. Now we're going to actually go through that little part where it goes through the Splash Mountain ride.
Yeah. Ready for that?
Do you guys see a little dog?
No.
Okay.
Here now we're at the little...
We're passing down Toontown. Okay.
Now if anybody wants to cover up or something, we're going to me. Okay, cover up then. Cover up. There. Okay. Time to get wet, okay? Yeah!
Whoa.
Yeah. Anybody like that ride? If you would like that to do so. Okay, then we're gonna do it again if our one little passenger wants to do it. We'll do anything to make our Disneyland. Mama. Disneyland visitors happy. You ready?
Uh-oh.
You want to do the fast? Are you sure? And I'm going to push, okay? Okay.
Oh boy. This should be interesting.
You can't do it, Annabelle. You can barely. You can turn. Oh my God. You can be the pusher, okay? You can push. Oh, yeah. Whoever's ready for the big splash. You ready? If anybody wants to do it another time. Oh, me. Okay, ready. Exactly. We're going around.
Whoa. Ah! Oh!
Here we are.
This again. Oh,
Maybe I should do that.
my turn? Okay, let me give it a hand.
No, you do
pull.
the pushing, I'll do the pulling. No, I'm gonna do pulling. No, then I do sit. My idea.
You want me to help?
You push.
Okay.
Dad. You push. I'm the cheapest girl. Ooh. What places are we going?
Now we're gonna go to, we're passing Toontown, then we're entering Fantasyland. Yes, here we are.
Fun.
Wave to all the people waiting in line for the Small World ride. Hi. And so on. Now we're gonna go. Remember the dinosaur part?
What dinosaur?
There's that little place where the dinosaurs and the. Wow. Well, don't worry. Now we're gonna enter.
We're going in the Small World ride.
Oh, now we're in the Small World ride.
Yeah, because the train can go through. Remember?
Hmm.
We're actually gonna see all the dolls. Can I just pull? I do the pushing job.
She's gotta be getting tired.
Can I do pushing?
Stop. No, wait for your sister to get out. Hey, Arwen. Whoa. You okay? Don't push her too hard. You're just gonna run her over. Hey, we should go home. It's getting dark.
Okay, stop, Annabelle, stop.
Shoes. Everybody put on shoes.
Put on your shoes. Could we go like this on our way back and go through the parking lot?
Yeah, why don't I pull you guys on the way home?
No, I'm gonna push. She's gonna push.
All right.
You're gonna push, okay, Annabelle? You gotta jump. I'll do this sometime, okay?
Why don't you help her with her shoes?
You can do it. She's a grown girl.
No. Shoesies. Shoesies.
No.
Abba, put on your shoes. Okay, I'll help you with your shoes.